It's me, your boy Elijah, and today I will be showing you. Sorry, this is a lot. I will be showing you my movie, but with sound effects. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you liked it.